is up, my fellow fishing fanatics? It's flooded.
Yeah, we're at the Myakka Creek right now.
This isn't Myakka Creek. That right there, no, right across there, that's the Myakkahatchee.
No, I'm not.
Right over there, that's Myakkahatchee.
Yeah, we're in.
Myakkahatchee started flooding. Myakkahatchee Creek.
Yeah.
Myakkahatchee runs into Myakka.
Yeah, if you guys don't know that, you definitely don't know what the state of Florida is.
You live in the United States, you know what Florida is.
And if you live in Florida, you know what the state is.
Not a...
Sarasota. But it never floods this deep.
Can you stop talking? My God, kid. Never flooded like this.
Can you stop? Dude, stay in the car. I'm a frog.
Sat.
My dad got the weather. Now hold on to your stick.
It's called a paddle. Once I get around this bend, I'll get back in. It's around 1.5 feet. It's around 1.5 feet.
It's really, it isn't, it's down in a really big pit. It's way down in the creek, and how much it's opened up is just insane, because
All right.
it hasn't been a flood like this since North coming? Years. Huh? My dad's not coming. He's rushing my sister.
All right, I gotta get back in.
Yeah.
What?
Ow. Here, look.
You hold on to this without dropping it.
Yep. And it's recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay. This is just insane.
Don't talk.
Are they really though? I have a channel. You're probably gonna say it's crap, but I play on PlayStation, so suck it. Yay!
Right into these bushes.
You be hated.
Please don't drop my phone.
Ah, since it's in this bag.
Don't talk. You're not the vlogger.
No, it's okay, right, Trent? It's okay. Yeah, going down that creek that I thought was a road was probably the worst ideas of 2017. Oh, I got bit up so bad in my leg, my foot. I think the only fish you'll find around here is bass, minnows, and tadpoles. I wouldn't call tadpoles fish, but it really doesn't.
I mean, as long as you don't get water damage, you're fine.
Yeah, but most of the houses around here are really hilled. Yeah, they're high off the ground.
Just like mine.
Yeah, we really need to ask the city to put some drains in here. Lead them into Great Lakes. Draining water from these to the Great Lakes.
The Great Lakes, you're going north. That's dumb.
Yeah, so if it would take like it would take like 50 years to get a tunnel from here to there.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah, it would. You know how far that is?
Hi.
Oh, hi, Trent.
Here, let me see my phone.
Subscribe to me, Trent Gone Wild.
Yeah.
Yep, you've gone wild.
Yeah.
On this episode of Trent Gone Wild, today Today we are exploring that one road that my friend lives on. That one road that my friend lives on.
Oh no.
Oh crap, I think I'll paddle it out of the way.
Or as people call me, King Killer. People.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I gotta do some stuff. See ya.